The West Shore Lake Pontchartrain Hurricane and Storm Damage Risk Reduction System will provide much-needed risk reduction for 60,000 residents in St. Charles, St. John the Baptist, and St. James parishes. Currently, 9 contracts along the West Shore alignment have been awarded, and of those, 8 contracts are under construction. Let's look at the construction efforts underway for this critical flood risk management infrastructure. Starting at the eastern end of the alignment, we stop in at Contract 101A, which is about 32% complete in St. John Parish. Clay placement is taking shape with a current elevation at 3.5 feet. Under the levee base of sand and clay are vertical wick drains, which are connected to black horizontal wick drains. When the black horizontal wick drains are rolled out, they will move moisture from the reach into the drainage canal. This action will lead to accelerated consolidation of the soft soils present at the site. Also underway is the protected side channel excavation. Moving west, we check in at Contract 102, which is at 14% completion. Wick drains are being placed along the base of the levee alignment as sand and clay is placed on top. In addition, sheet pile material is being delivered for the temporary retaining structure, or TRS, at Mont's Canal. A TRS is needed to provide temporary shoring of the excavation for the Mont's Canal drainage structure to provide safe working areas while building the permanent construction feature. Continuing west along the alignment, we stop in at Contract 104, which is 12% complete. Culvert crossing at Access Road P is under construction. The access road to Option Work 2 is complete, which is located at a utility crossing. Option work in the contract gives the Corps the ability to proceed with most of the construction, while right of entry agreements are finalized at the utility's location. Once complete, this reach will be about 2.5 miles long. As we continue west, we stop at Contract 105, which is at 9% completion. Sand placement continues to move forward towards the west past Ridgefield Canal. Excavation of the drainage canal between Ridgefield and Perilou Canals continues to progress forward as well. Wick drains are also being installed at the moment. When complete, this contract will construct approximately 3 miles of the 18.5-mile-long levee system. Next on the alignment is Contract 106, which is about 19% complete. The sheet pile wing wall installation has begun for the protected side canal at the I-10 West floodwall crossing. A floating barge is currently supporting land crane operations until sheet pile work progresses under I-10. In addition, 2,000 feet of wick drains have been installed. Excavation of the interior drainage canal is underway, and placement of clay and sand base for the levee continues to move forward. Continuing west, we stop at Contract 107, which is at 40% completion. With clearing and grubbing completed, the excavated land is available for the placement of sand and clay to create the base of the levee. To date, 5,700 linear feet of sand base has been placed. Clay placement along the alignment is currently taking place at West Shore Contract 108. Construction has placed over 4,000 linear feet of a sand base for the alignment and 4,000 linear feet of canal excavation. Culvert crossing is complete for the interior drainage canal for Contract 108 at Access Road C. At Option Work Area 2, the west preload area is complete with the east side currently under construction. Our last stop is on the western end of the alignment at Contract 110, which is 80% complete. This portion of the levee was the first contract to be awarded in December 2022. The clay placement along this stretch of the levee is undergoing final grading and nearing completion. The next step will be seeding grass on top of the clay embankment, which is crucial for erosion control. This section of the West Shore Lake Pontchartrain project is expected to be completed summer of 2024. The Corps of Engineers and its partners, the Coastal Protection and Restoration Authority and the Pontchartrain Levee District, remain steadfast in delivering this critical flood risk reduction project for the people living and working in the area. Like and subscribe for more information and updates.